I'm here at the D.R. Horton Destin floor plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage home. A very open floor plan. D.R. Horton is only building in Hidden Lakes at the moment in Flagler County. And you'll notice all of the homes in Hidden Lakes have this brick paver driveway and sidewalks and street lights. There is a nice lake and community walking trails, and plans are to put in a pool for the community as well. Everything's always subject to change, but right now in Hidden Lakes, annual HOA fees are only $500 for the whole year. Obviously that may change, but even if it stays in that ballpark, this would be, I think, the most affordable planned community in the area. Nice arch ceiling in here. So this is the front bedroom. Again, nice architectural interest. Decent sized closet there. And nice guest bath. Got a coat closet in the entryway. And again, in my experience, it's this kind of open living area that people are really looking for right now. The open bar kitchen. You've got an eat-in area in the kitchen, plus this dining table really makes this house fabulous for large get-togethers. This is, they've got it set up as an office. This can also be another bedroom. They'll finish it off however you need, if you need a door there or not. Options are good. I love the bay window and the double tray ceiling in here. Very nice size master bedroom. Nice big walk-in closet here. And let's see. Good size closet here as well. His and her vanities. Nice deep garden tub. Boy, that looks comfy. Very inviting. Separate water closet. And a very nice glass enclosed shower here. You can see they do some nice tile work. So very attractive master bedroom and bath. And then on the other side of the home, we'll look at that kitchen a little bit more in just a minute. This would be the 4th bedroom. I like how the window's kind of offset. A lot of times you'll see bedrooms with a window right in the middle of the wall, and that makes me crazy because, yeah, it looks nice when it's empty, but when you're trying to arrange your furniture, it can be very frustrating. Again, a good sized vanity in this bath really makes it usable. This has shower tub insert, but there are some serious advantages to that. Not only for cleaning, I think it's a matter of personal taste. I'll leave this locked, but you can see, at least in this model, they've got pavers out there. I don't know if that's standard, probably not. But you got a nice covered area. They probably extended the screening. I don't imagine that's standard, so. Very nice kitchen, easy to work in. You kind of got the advantages of a galley kitchen, but you've still got such an open feeling. You do have a nice sized pantry, and then I rather liked this laundry area. You've got some additional storage there. It's a good size space and opens to the 3-car garage. So again, lots of storage space, and you know how in Florida, without basements, storage space is at a premium. So even if you don't have 3 cars, you'll probably enjoy having a 3-car garage. So that's going to conclude my tour. If you'd like a copy of the floor plan or any of their other floor plans, do give me a call.